This video is on solving quadratic equations with square roots, and you would use this when you only have like an x squared or m squared and a number. If you have an x term or like the b term that's in the middle, you can't do square roots. So go ahead and try this one. Okay, for this one you should add 8 first. You would get m squared equals 8. Square root both sides, make sure you show that. And let's see, square root of 8 is 2.83 because the 8 rounds the 2 up. So this is 2.83. M equals plus or minus 2.83. Okay, try this one. For this one, add 625 to both sides. You get 5k squared equals 625. Divide by 5k squared equals 625 divided by 5 is 125. Square root both sides. K equals plus or minus square root of 125 is 11.18. I didn't have to round on that one because the next digit was 0 and that didn't mess with the 8 at all. Okay, let's look at number 3. Go ahead and try that one. Okay, on this one, divide by 64. N squared equals 16 divided by 64. Can you see that? Is, whoops, 0.25. Square root both sides. N equals plus or minus square root of 0.25 is 0.5.